welcome back to another video. Let's get started. Oh, who's that at the door? I'll just go get it. Oh, hey puppies. Okay. Basically, if you take all of this stuff and eat it for the next 24 hours, you get $100 paycheck. Wait, what? No way. Are you the guy from Enter? Yes. Okay. Anyways, do you want to do the challenge? Yeah, of course. Right, okay, take the food. Thank you. So, what happens now? Obviously, you go and eat the food and then just email us when you're done and we'll give you the $100. Can't eat any other food, okay? Challenge accepted. Thank you, bye. Yeah, whatever, bye. Bye. It's really weird, but I can't wait for this challenge. Let's see what I got. Okay, so I got, some chicken nuggets, white Oreos, gummy worms, dumplings, some sort of marshmallows, 2 types of pasta, cheesy and tomatoey, and 3 long crisp things. They're called Pringles. I mean, it's all junk food, but I think I can do that for the rest of the day. I was actually going to get a snack, so I guess I'll just have this. Let's unpackage. Oh, okay, it looks good. Let me try it. Oh my god, this is so good. I'll be looking forward to try some later. I gotta get on with some homework. A few hours later. Oh my god, someone go down. A few hours later. About that? I need to make some dinner. Yeah, I forgot. I need to do that American food thingy. Alright, I'll go see what I have. I'm not a vegetarian, so I can have some chicken nuggets and maybe a pasta. I'm gonna have the tomatoey one. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm gonna go with cheesy. So yeah, that's what I'm having for dinner, I guess. Let's make this. Dinner is served with some chicken nuggets in the bowl in the side. I didn't get any drink with it. Well, I know I'm not supposed to have anything else, but I think I can just have water, right? Well, I got some water, so that's fine. Dinner was so good. I'm craving some sort of pudding. I'm gonna be washing these up later. Later, I mean tomorrow. Yeah, these dumpling things. I guess I'll have them for dessert. So I just had the dumpling and they weren't actually very good. I had 2 of them and they were just quite bitter and dry. I didn't quite like them. Besides, dinner was pretty good. See, I can't finish all of these sweet treats just by tonight. So basically, I'm just gonna be keeping these in my room for other times, more like midnight snacks and stuff, but I might have one of the packs tonight. The rest of them I'll probably give to my friends because there's a lot of sweet treats. The box here is all I have left and I'm going to be giving it to friends and stuff. I'm going to be heading to bed soon, so first I'm just going to email them and tell them that I've completed the challenge and hopefully I'll get the $100. Emailing them on my laptop as it's easier. They just said that they're going to send it straight to my bank account. So excited. But they sent it! I might do another video short of me spending all the money. So maybe I'll be doing a YouTube short of me going on a shopping spree. So yeah, that would be super fun. Guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Bye guys, have a great day. Afternoon, good evening, and good night.